What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this quick video I'm going to show you how to use Misto, the oil sprayer. So let's get to it. First you remove the cap. Then you remove the locking collar. Next you add oil. Fill it halfway with oil, which is about half a cup. That should do it. Then replace and tighten the screw collar. If you try to use it now, it won't work. The button does not push. Next, put the cap back on. And then pump it 10 to 15 times. Or until you feel resistance. This pressurizes the container. Once it's pressurized, then you can spray. Works great. And store it with the cap on. And that is how you use the Misto Oil Sprayer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. So, if you don't want to buy one of these and then recycle it when you're done, and your preference is to buy this and do pouring and pumping and recycling this and washing this, then this is the product for you.